Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. I'm Pandas. In this tutorial, I'm going to talk about series in Python, how to create a series, and how to do different operations on series. A series in Python is an object with a one-dimensional array-like structure that holds a set of values along with index. In order to work with series, we need to import Pandas library. There are different ways that we can define a series in Python. One of them is using list. Here we define a list and we call it myList. And in order to use it and define a series, we use Pandas and series method. And we give the myList as its argument. When we run this, we get a series which is indexed and the index from 0 to 3. However, if we want to change the index, we have to add the index argument when we define the series. Here we change the index and start from 1 to 4. And when we run it, we get the series that index is changed. The type of the series that we have is always a series. The second way to define a series is using a dictionary. Here we define a dictionary where the keys are 1, 2, 3, and 4, and the values are A, B, C, and D. And when we use it to define a series, the keys of the dictionary become the index of the series, and the values of the dictionary becomes the values of the series. Another way to define a series is using array. We define an array, A, B, C, and D, and the rest is quite the same as list. We can get the values and indices of a series using values and index attributes. So when we use values, it gives us the values of the series that we have. And when we use index, it gives us the indices of the series that we have. We can also get the values of a specific index in a series. So we need to specify that in a bracket. And here we use the index 1, and for this index 1, we can get the values, which is A. But if we want to get more than one values, then we can specify a list of the numbers or list of the indices. And this gives us the index from 1 to 4. And if we are going to get more than one, but it is not ordered, then we can give it as a list into the argument that we want. We can change the values of a series. In order to do that, we need to assign a new value to the elements that we want to change. Here is the series that we have, and we want to change the first element, small a, to capital A. So we assign capital A to the first element of the series. And as you can see, the first element is changed. We can also change more than one element. In order to do that, we need to specify the index that we want to change and the values that we want to assign. And now you can see that the element of index 1 and 2 is changed to a small a. We can apply filtering to the series. Suppose that we want to get only elements of the series that we have, which is A. In order to get those elements, we apply the following filtering.